How you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make a dal. Absolutely beautiful. Got some incredible flavors in it. Yeah, just tastes divine. Let's do it. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. First of all, I've got my dal here. It's cooked already. This is a red dal. When you cook red toor dal, T-O-O-R dal, it actually turns that color. Give it a wash and then just cook it. It cooks really quickly, like sort of just 5 minutes or so. It's a really sort of soft dal. Get that ready. 2 tomatoes cut, 2 onions cut, roughly equal amounts. Then here we've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder, coriander and turmeric. Some whole spices, 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds and 2 of cumin seeds and 1 nice dried red chili. Some fresh cilantro, coriander, a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, and fresh chili. The amount is up to you. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my frying pan here, or saucepan, whatever you're going to use. Now I'm using mustard oil today. If you want, you can use ghee, but I'm keeping this vegan, so mustard oil here, or if you wanted some coconut oil. Let's start off by dropping in the whole spices. Just a few seconds, let them do their thing on this high heat. So we've got black mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and that chili. They'll just infuse that oil. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, time for our onion. So high heat, going to cook these onions for about 4 minutes, stirring often. Okay, so that's just a few minutes to get those onions happening. We're next up going to drop in our tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger blended together. We're now going to add the tomato. We'll get some salt in there. We're staying on this high heat. I'm adding my fresh chili. We're then going to go in with the spices, the powders, chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder, a couple of teaspoons each. Nice little mix. Now what we want to do is we want to cook this until those tomatoes really break down. Nice and sort of mushy. Keep it moving. We're not far off. All the hard work has been done. This is beautiful. There you go, that's looking beautiful. Now I've got the heat down to a medium now. We're going to drop in now our cooked lentils, or dal. And like I say, this is a red toor dal, which is kind of a very sort of deep orange. But once you cook it, it turns into that colour. We're going to go for like 3 minutes on a medium heat. And then obviously we're going to be adding some liquid to this because it's quite thick. But let's go for about 3 minutes. Getting some spices in there. Keep it moving pretty much all the time now. So I've just incorporated it in there. Now, if you want, you can have it just like that. The consistency is up to you. I'm going to be adding a bit of water in there. Nice and thick or nice and thin. Entirely up to you what you want to do. That's looking about right for me. So just below a medium heat now. 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And like I say, adjust it how you want regarding its consistency. Okay, off goes the heat. That is a beautiful consistency for me. Like I say, adjust it how you want. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. Little pinch or two of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful little finishing powder. Some fresh cilantro, or coriander, as I call it. Little mix. And this is done. You've got yourself here a little nice little dal curry. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to tadka it, which means we're going to get some hot oil, spices, and pour that over. Wonderful stuff. Okay, so I'm back here. Again, I've got some mustard oil, heating it up, and I'm going to drop in a couple of chilies and some cumin seeds. You could add anything you want in here, actually. So the idea is a few seconds, and then we're going to pour this on top of our dal. Beautiful. There you go, and that's done. Just put a little bit of coriander leaves on the top there. Beautiful. White rice or bread, however you want it. It's delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.